Hey YouTube! Hey, I've got some kids' feet hanging through my ceiling. Now, today we're going to be installing a chimney for my wood-fired oven. I'm actually putting this in my garage. Here is step number one. This is the ceiling support box. This is a round one. You can get them square, you can get them round. Same process. You want to square off the box, cut a round hole in the drywall, and there's holes pre-drilled every 90 degrees on this round support box. The round one is made for a flat ceiling, and the large square ones are made for a vaulted ceiling, so that's the difference. So we had it pre-cut, trimmed out, and we're just pushing it all the way up to the ceiling, screwing it in place. Now, the first piece of chimney pipe we were able to fit in there. That's a 4-foot piece, and it brought us right up to the ceiling. Making sure it's level, we're going to get a center mark and put a screw through the underside of the roof, which will penetrate the top side so we know where the center of our roof flashing is. We're going to lay that roof flashing over the top, put a nice mark around it on the inside, and I'm going to cut it about maybe an 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch bigger than the mark. This will allow a little bit of space for an adjustment on the flashing if we need it. So on the top half of the roof, you can see we're just prying those shingles up. We got to get all the nails out so that the flashing will slide right under there and not obstruct our flashing fitting all the way under. Just a little bit of silicone on the underside of the flashing to make sure we've got a good seal. Perfect fit. Now before we attach the flashing, we're going to add some more pipe, connect that, give it a good twist. Now we have this locking band with the twist lock. This makes it nice and secure. So I need a little more height on the flashing. I need to slide it up. So I'm just trimming a little bit of the roof out of the way and adding extra silicone around the flashing just to make sure there's no leaks. And I'm also siliconing down all the roof that was pulled up, and we will be securing the flashing with some screws. So here we're making a roof brace. This is just a piece of steel, galvanized square tube steel. We're going to flatten the ends so we can drill some holes. I'm putting 3 holes in the side for the roof, and we just need 1 hole to attach to the roof brace that goes on the pipe. We've got our pipe bracket we're attaching the roof brace to. Getting everything nice and tight. Making sure it's level. And we'll secure that roof brace to the roof. Easy stuff. Storm collar for the vented roof flashing. That'll prevent any leaks. Get it nice and tight. Same to the back so you don't see it. Here we are securing the roof flashing. And lots of silicone. You can't use too much silicone. You do want to try to make it look pretty. One more piece of pipe. Twist lock. Locking band. And chimney cap. So the code for the chimney height is 2 feet higher than anything 10 feet away. That would be the peak of the roof to the right. Look at those beautiful mountains. Here's my oven. I've got the door on it, and we're almost done and ready to light a fire. Here's the big test. Make sure the damper's open. We've got a great draft. The smoke's going where it needs to go. Hey, thanks for watching, YouTube. Give us a like, thumbs up, subscribe. We'll see you next time.